Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to refund on Doordash. So let's get into the video. So open up Doordash and log into your Doordash account. And if you want to obtain a refund from Doordash, you can get a refund for orders that has not been delivered. If you've placed an order and it's not delivered yet, so you can just easily get a refund. And also if you have an order that's been delivered but you're unhappy with the order, then you can request for a refund as well. So in both cases, what you're going to do, click on this orders tab here, click on the orders tab and then select the order that you want a refund for. So simply select that order here. So suppose in first case, if you have placed an order, you have just placed an order and it's not been delivered yet, then open up this order here, and underneath here you will see I've cancelled this order, so I don't have, so you will see a different option for me. You will see cancel order option here. If you have already placed the order and it's not delivered, simply tap the cancel order and follow the prompt in order to get a refund. And once you cancel it, in most cases refund will be issued instantly. But if you have an order that's been already delivered, so what you can do, simply go to orders tab again, open up the order that's been delivered that you want a refund for, and then scroll down and then you will see an option called help desk or help support or customer service option. Simply select that and then it will ask you for what's the issue with this order. Simply select the reason that best suits you, and then it will connect you to a customer service agent, and then you can just request them for a refund because of whatever reason that is. You can request for a refund and they will get it for you, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.